Guys, welcome back to me and Kelsey's channel, and today I have to show you something new I have, and this will be being updated all the time, so let me show you. So, I'm just sitting down at my table, aka my slime house. Slime over there, everywhere. I have this green slime sponsored by Caden. Shout out to you, Caden. And I'll open all these up. So I made these ones today, not sponsored by Nickelodeon, but this one is a pink slime. It's pretty good. It breaks easily. It's not very stretchy, but I don't care. It's still, like, once my warm hands play with it for a while, it gets like very stretchy. But then that would make this video like an hour long, so I'll just put it away there. These lids are hard to close. Very hard. Okay, on to the next one. Here's another slime, just like that one, but bigger. Same thing, very easily break. And basically the same. So let's move on to the next one. I have my alien slime. Very good slime. So jiggly. I love that sound. I think I should leave them open and out. Like that. Okay. This tree slime, it didn't really work out so good, but I have a new slime house, Mom.
See that black slime?
Yeah.
That's what's on the wall.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
So here's what I call the toxic slime. It was from this, but I had to move it into the tree slime to save room. So, yeah, I gotta move all these things out of the way. So that's the black slime. And let's move on to the blue one. This one I call a special slime. I made this one yesterday. Sponsored by Caden. Right, Mom? Sponsored by Caden. This is a good slime, seriously. Yeah.
Brian, isn't Mike and Molly still on?
Oh no. I like this slime. This is a good slime. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to this slime. This is one of my favorites. This was a yellow slime. Forgot to do it on camera. Sorry, guys. I got some other slime in it, so yeah. It glows too, but you guys can't see it on camera. Sadly, because I was trying to do that one video and you guys couldn't see the glow on the camera, so sorry. But it does glow. So. Okay, oh, gotta leave it out, remember? So that's 6 slimes I did. Now moving on to the 3-pound slime. I'm gonna have to move everything out of the way. These will need to go up here and this back in its container. Here it goes. 3 pounds. Look. 3 pounds. That's a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one back in its container. That way these can come back. Or wait, keep this one out. Okay, I have this, the green slime I showed you in the first part of the video. Sponsored by Kaden still. This one, it was going to be clear, but I wanted to add some green to make it more Nickelodeon, kind of. But sorry I didn't post making this on video, because I would have posted it on video, but there were a bit of issues through the video, so I wasn't gonna post a video like that, so
Hard to believe he was a hardcore military guy.
okay, I think that's all the slimes. So I'm gonna put everything back now. Sometimes it's hard to pack everything up, but and guys, you can vote if you actually want this to be a slime shop. I don't know, that's a good idea though. I would like to do it, something like that. We would just need a lot more money. But right now I have a lot of money, so that might be good. Okay. Rest that back on there. Oh, my battery died. Sorry.